This is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you just some ideas that you can do with noodles. Now it's the end of the day, these have been sitting out, but my customers love these. In fact, I didn't have one complaint. I did. The curry was a little bit spicy. Curry spicy, okay guys? That's like Chipotle. Chipotle spicy. Okay, listen to me. I made macaroni and cheese as well as macaroni salad with these macaroni noodles. And if you don't see the videos, you will see the videos very soon, okay? So this is delicious. If you are craving macaroni salad, potato salad, it's summertime and they're having egg salad, you make yourself a macaroni salad. One thing about these noodles, guys, they're no calories and all fiber. So the thing is, they lower blood sugar, they lower cholesterol, they strengthen your heart. They're amazing, okay? This is spaghetti. I made it with the spaghetti noodles. Okay, look at this. It looks like real spaghetti. Now what I did is I did 99% lean jerky in here, and I did an onion and a pepper and pizza sauce. I always use pizza sauce for spaghetti because there's no sugar in pizza sauce. Let's go here, guys. These are the fettuccine style noodles. I boiled these for 10 minutes. I also boiled the macaroni noodles 10 minutes. I'll go back and give you this recipe. I boiled these for 10 minutes, and then I microwaved frozen broccoli, and then I just added some cream cheese, some chicken seasoning, and a little bit of half and half to this to make the fettuccine sauce, and butter. These angel hair noodles I made the curry dish with. If you like curry, guys, this is so good. This reminds me of a faux dish that we have. And all I put in here was onions, angel hair, and a little bit of peppers, and it was so delicious. Okay, let's move on. If you love rice, but you're doing keto, there is nothing closer to rice tasting than these noodles right here. So what I did here is make a chicken stir fry rice. All I did is buy a rotisserie chicken, I cut it up, and then I bought the frozen soup vegetables and stuck them in here, okay? So this does add a teeny bit more carbs because of the soup vegetables, but still you're eating super healthy, super low carb. And then these noodles, which I love so much, are the ramen style noodles. If you look at them, they even have the ramen color, okay? And so what I do with the ramen style noodles is make the Mongolian Stir Fry. I fry the noodles in sesame oil. And then I add some vegetables to it, and I add vinegar, soy sauce, and sweetie. And so these are the 6 different noodles that we carry now. 6 different ways you can make them. I'll have a detailed recipe for each one of these. But again, guys, this has got to be a staple in your house because, like I said, I eat 1 to 2 bags every single day because they have very low calories, if any. And again, they lower blood sugar, they lower cholesterol, and they strengthen your heart. So there's no reason not to eat these. Don't mistake these with zoodles and cauliflower rice, because zoodles are good, cauliflower rice is good, but these are way better than zoodles and cauliflower rice, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. You can like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join our Healthy Treats Market support group on Facebook. You can go on YouTube and subscribe to Healthy Treats Market and see more videos like this. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. See you later.